What's up guys, welcome to another video. OnePlus is going to be planning introducing a new device, the OnePlus 8T, and that is going to be the next flagship level device that is coming from the company. There are certainly many leaks and rumors for that particular device has been surfaced online, which gives us a pretty much good details about what the next flagship will look like. Basically, an image has been leaked for the OnePlus 8T devices courtesy to the Android 11 developer preview, which has the OnePlus 8T that gives us pretty much good detail for the front of the device. So if you look at the render images, you will notice that it is coming with a flat display rather than a curved edges, which we have seen in the OnePlus 8 devices. And along with that, it is coming with a camera cutout present on the top left corner of the device, and that is pretty much similar to the OnePlus 8, which also have similar kind of a cutout present on the top left corner of this device. The front panel is coming with a 6.5 inch of AMOLED display, which is going to be 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it is going to be an upgraded from the previous generation of OnePlus 7T, which was coming with the 90 Hz of refresh rate. So this is going to be a good move, and as we know that OnePlus 8 has a 120 Hz of refresh rate, so it was expected that OnePlus is going to be introducing a 120 Hz of refresh rate in their upcoming model. Also, the front is coming with an AMOLED display, so it is expected that the fingerprint scanner is going to be introduced inside the display. Unfortunately, we don't have any of the images or renders regarding the backside of the device, but we have some information that there is going to be a quad camera setup on the back side, in which the main camera is going to be a new and improved 48 megapixel camera sensor that has been introduced in the OnePlus 8 Pro. There is going to be a 16 megapixel of ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. But however, the source of this rumor claims that the OnePlus 8T main snapper will imply a newer imaging sensor than its predecessor, thus improving the picture quality as well. It's unclear whether this means 8T will be getting a OnePlus 8 Pro main camera or not. So we also get the internal information from the Geekbench listing that what this device will be capable of. The processor which is included inside the OnePlus 8T is going to be the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is currently the latest processor which is coming inside the OnePlus 8T. The Geekbench listing also showcased that this device is going to be coming with an 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Unsurprisingly, the 8T will run Android 11 out of the box with Oxygen OS 11. Expect to see the new phone perhaps alongside with the 8T Pro unveiled by the end of this month or during the first week of October. We don't know about the pricing of upcoming OnePlus 8T devices, so in order to keep yourself updated, you can subscribe my channel and get the latest information as soon as it arrives. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.